Down the way I put it down, it's over with. Told him that this bitch head fire, you wouldn't have
told the bitch.
He might die and I'm gon' lie like I ain't sold him shit. She think I'm rich because I flashed the 50.
I ain't showed her shit.
Niggas keep on
asking about the charger, nigga. I told her it. Fuck.
Why you keep calling me big bro when you old as me?
Old as me, nigga. Why niggas calling you big bro?
I'm turned up, but I ain't turned up as I supposed to be.
I knew I'd be like a cheat sheet. Yeah, this Glock go bang bang, this nigga Chief Keys. Real trap or die, put this on repeat.
Yo, what's the deal, gang? We got Chicken P close to me, bro. I ain't gonna let a little leak reaction I just reacted to, bro. That shit just had me so turned, bro. I pray y'all keep y'all day positive, bro. Feel me? Like, I need 15, bro. That's all I need. I need 15 a day recorded. You know what I'm saying? Stamped, merched, whatever you want to call it. Keep your day positive, bro. Don't let nothing distract you. You feel me? I'm focused, bro. No cap. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm focused. Let's get into this video. I hope this a banger. I said that. I was just thinking like, damn, this bitch too turned. Then I'ma just be all out my body and shit. I can't tell. I gotta chill out this reaction of like, and nigga, I need that turn shit though. No cap. That last reaction was just fire, right? Not lie.
I can't put it down the way I put it down, it's over with. Told him that this bitch head fire, you wouldn't have told the bitch.
Told the bitch.
And I'm gon' lie like I ain't sold him shit. She think I'm rich because I flashed the 50, I ain't even showed her shit.
Show
keep on asking.
He flashed the 50, boy, that ain't shit, huh? Damn. I can't even say I feel it. No, I feel it because money is nothing, gang. No cap. That's materialistic. That's part of the materialistic reality. You know what I'm saying? The physical. Ain't nothing real physical, bro. No cap. All this physical shit is fake as fuck, gang. You feel me? No cap. But at the same time, though, nigga, that 50 can change a nigga, you know what I'm saying, situation. No cap. Because this world run on money, nigga. Let's not be stupid about this shit. You know what I'm saying? No cap. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? He said it's nothing. Man, what?
I can't put it down the way I put it down, it's over with. Told him that this bitch head fire, you
told the bitch.
Serve him, he might die and I'm gon' lie like I ain't sold him shit. She think I'm rich because I flashed the 50,
I ain't showed the shit.
Niggas keep on asking about the charger, lil' bro told him. Why you
chills? Why I get chills? Why y'all keep fuck? Why the song gotta be in love with me, bro? Fuck, bro. I'm seeing 25, 25, 2. Why is it 25, 25, 2? That's trippy as hell, bro. No cap. I'll be looking for the signs, bro, but like that's trippy as hell, bro. Right back.
Told the bitch, serve him, he might die and I'm gon' lie like I ain't sold him shit. She think I'm rich because I flashed the 50, I ain't
showed the shit.
Niggas keep on asking
it's about the charger, nigga. I told him it. Fuck.
Why you keep calling me big bro when you old as me?
What? No cap.
Close to me. I'm turned up, but I ain't turned up as I'm supposed to be.
No cap, nigga. I ain't turned up.
If I told you what I made, you probably won't believe me.
Won't believe it.
For Instagram, you probably won't gon' see me.
Won't gon' see me.
Just like his daddy, yeah, just like Weezy.
Remember what for YouTube, niggas would not see me, gang. No cap. If I wasn't trying to make it off the influencer type of side of things, nigga, you would not see me, gang, nigga. No cap. Like that, nigga.
If I told you what I made, you probably won't believe me. If it weren't for Instagram, you probably won't gon' see me. My son gon' stunt just like his daddy, yeah, just like Weezy. Boy, my watch worth like a 40, let me roll my sleeve. In the gym, working on my skills, bitch, I don't need love.
I don't need it.
Then get back on defense. You was playing rich as hell, nigga, where your cheese?
Where your cheese?
When you rich as hell, you don't really need friends. I'ma make that money last forever, huh? You just like keep sweat. I get direct deposit, baby, I don't need checks. That's another 100,000. Shoot, I just sneezed.
Damn, that nigga tripping.
Like a Paula Lee's. I had Iceman Nick when you here playing. I got IG models in here eating dick. They gon' need some knee pads. Face card good like this, nigga, you don't need cash. No,
say you don't need cash, hey. Okay, no cash.
Like a speed bag. When I speed past, I hop out walking down. He don't need the mask. She wanna get that pussy. I don't need the ass. I'm walking out of educators. I don't need no bag. Or no envelope.
Envelope.
about it, I put it in their face. These niggas broke.
Bro.
Every time they gave me a chance, I went and did the most.
Did the
Let's call
most.
our account,
What?
let's see who spend the most. You niggas better check the scope, let's see who been the most. Nigga probably in the strike, I'm probably in the ghost.
Ghost.
Cross state lines, I'm trying to get the dope. I got a crazy mix, I don't want nobody around me when I hit the dope. You piss
Hit
me
the
off,
dope.
I tell you I'm outside, you better hit the floor.
Hit the floor.
Bring your ass outside, then we gon' hit the dot. Need oil changes, nigga, I been hitting the road.
Hitting the road.
Cuban on my neck, look like a...
You know what I'm saying? Let me calm down.
Pot of gold, I might pop a dose.
Pop a dose.
Bitch, you know what I'm worth, lock the dough.
Lock the
You ain't got
door.
the paper, bitch, I got to go. I see you later, baby, I ain't mean to stop the show.
Nigga, don't care. Hey, I gotta add this
Put
bitch.
it down the way I put it down, it's over with. Told him that this bitch head fire, you in the told
the
Told him
bitch.
he might die and I'm gon' lie like I ain't sold him shit. She think I'm rich because I flashed the 50.
I ain't showed her shit.
Niggas keep on
Ask about the charger, nigga. I told her it.
Why
Fuck.
you keep calling me big bro and you old as me?
Old as me, nigga. Why they was calling you big bro?
Close to me.
Huh?
I'm turned up, but I ain't turned up like I posted.
Fuck, nigga. Scat pack on the way, nigga. Don't cap, grind, don't stop, nigga. Hey, listen. We manifesting everything we want out of life, want and desire and need. No cap. God is good. Grind, don't stop. Keep your day positive. Keep your energy positive. Don't react to negativity, bro. That's all I gotta say, bro. It's not a real thing, bro. No cap. Keep your day positive.